In this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on your profile. Now, below your profile, head over to the third option, which is Profile. And from here, if you scroll down, you won't find any two-factor authentication. However, if you head over to the top bar and click on the second tab, which is Settings, now below Settings, click on the third option, which is Security. And once you click on security, this is where you can choose or set up a two-factor authentication. Now you have two options, either an authenticator app. Now this is where you will use your phone in order for you to authenticate your account via Mailchimp. However, you can also use your phone number, which is by using SMS. Now, whenever you sign up, you will get a two-factor authentication that will send you a code from your phone number. But if you prefer signing up through your phone, then you can use an authenticator app. Now, for this demo, I will use SMS. And at the bottom, click on Next. From here, it will ask you to set up your SMS authentication, and that means by adding your number. So in here, we will enter a mobile phone number. So from here, we will choose the country code. You can choose US, let's say US. And from here, we will add our phone number on the second tab. And once you have your number, head over to the bottom and click on Get Code. Now that will send a code to the number that you just added. And let's say we will enter our 6-digit code. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Enable. And once you have enabled your code and your phone number, it will automatically show your two-factor authentication right in here. Now you can only add one. So if you chose a authenticator app, then you can switch to an SMS. But if you are using an SMS, you can switch to also an authenticator app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.